Hey, how's it going?
Fantastic.
How did you enjoy your trip with Med Sailing Holidays, guys?
Fantastic
We loved
trip.
it.
Brilliant.
Very
And
good.
tell me how you enjoyed the variety of ports throughout the trip.
Yeah, there were small ports.
Yep.
There was a big busy ones.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
were little swimming spots in between that are halfway between a port and
Did you find it quite varied or?
Oh yeah,
It
very
was,
much.
yeah.
Brilliant. Was there any particular port you liked the most, or
There probably was one, but I can't remember.
Cortula? Cortula?
you like Cortula,
I
which
think
yeah,
so, because
and Maximilian where we had cocktails, I think it was,
I love that.
with sunsets.
And the old buildings and just all the little streets and
Yeah,
it was lovely.
and the last night was really good.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, in
Nice.
Polache?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice and small, but to walk over into the
National Park.
The national park,
and the swing,
really enjoyed.
Yeah, that was really good.
Good timing of that.
Brilliant. And how did you enjoy the food on the boat?
It was good. It was
Yeah.
fresh, it was tasty,
Yeah, yeah.
it was varied.
And the food in Croatia so far?
Oh, we love the seafood.
The
I think the
seafood is
seafood's
really
been
good.
really good.
Yeah, yeah.
Very rustic food. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not, it's not high end, but it is what it is,
Yeah, yeah.
And didn't have a bad meal.
Excellent. This is your first time to Croatia?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, yeah. Excellent. And how would you rate the trip as far as the vacation goes?
Oh, I think a great location. I'd recommend it to anyone, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
If you've never done something like this,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
thinking,
Definitely.
I can't do it,
Yeah, yeah.
or we don't have to do very much. So yeah.
So this is the first time you guys have been sailing
Yes.
properly, yeah?
proper sailing.
Proper
yeah.
sailing. You've done bits in the past, but
Yeah.
not.
Very short.
Fantastic.
trips.
Just one final question, guys. What would you say to anyone sitting on the fence about coming on this trip?
Go for it. Just
Yeah.
take the trip if you've never done. I think it's a good introduction to sailing
Yeah, yeah.
because you've got your skipper, you've got your hostess.
Yeah.
You can enjoy. I mean, I think
You've
for me,
relaxed.
relaxed, enjoy
And
the
you can do
scenery
as
on
much
the
as
way.
you want.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
if
you
you want
can
to
put
learn
the
a bit.
sails up, you can steer it, or you can do nothing.
And finally, what did you think of your skipper and hostess?
Oh, they were
They
the
were the
best,
best.
best skipper and hostess ever.
You have to say that. We're sat in front of you.
No,
Thank you
no,
very
that
much for
was
sailing
great.
with us, guys. I'm
Thank
glad you
you.
enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Okay.
thanks very much.
Cheers.